All right, time now for Best Reviews. Love this. I'm Gary Gelfand. This is Beth Allen, DIY expert. So glad you're here right now.
Hi, thank you. I'm happy to be here.
All right, we're talking about space because we all need space in our place, and you're here to kind of show us ways to kind of help that out.
Yeah, just some DIY space-saving ideas, things that are easy and affordable to do. One of my favorite things is if you can't hide it, display it.
I like that.
So if you've got things around the house that you just need to get access to, but you don't have a great place to hide them, go with shelving. I love putting shelves out. You can do one shelf, put it in your kitchen. You could put it in your bathroom with your prescription bottles. You can put 2 or 3 of these, stack them on the wall, and then you could put your children's books. And these are great because they're paintable and they're decorative, and you can do lots of different things with them. And one of the things that we do at Best Reviews is that we go out and we rate different types of products. And we have floating shelves and corner shelves, kitchen shelves, and even garage shelving that we have rated. So you can go there and check out which ones we think are the best.
I like that. All right, now these things, I'm looking at some hooks, I'm looking at some other stuff too. Now, we always want to hang things. That's a great way to kind of create some space, right?
Absolutely. We forget about the real estate that's on the inside of our cabinets. And what about taking some 3M command hooks and adding them on the inside of the cabinet for your keys and for other little things to get them out of the junk drawer? You can find them easier and make more room for more junk.
Yep.
Now, also, what about grabbing these hooks and a simple file folder? We found this one online, and you put the hooks right through the back, and inside your cabinet door, you keep all of those lost souls,
right,
the tops to your...
Well, you can never find those. They're always scattered all over the place,
They're
right?
scattered around, or you open the cabinet and they fall out. This is a way to keep them neat and organized, and it'll cost you just a few dollars. Now, my favorite space-saving thing is using shoe racks.
Oh, I have shoes all over the place, right?
Well, I don't use them for just shoes.
Oh, interesting.
So what I like to use them for are all sorts of things. In my garage, I have a vertical rack, and in that I have the dog leash, the harness, the poo bags, and her brush, all in one little column.
Right.
Now, you can also do the over the closet door ones, the clear ones that hold like 20 different pairs. We've used them for my kids for their gaming. So they can find all of their toys and their gaming supplies. And since my kids were little, we've used it for the hats and the gloves. In the hall closet, they can see everything. And if everything has a spot, people are more likely to put it back.
Exactly. Well, I love that because, like I said, I have shoes all over the place, but now that's a great idea. Of course, coming from you.
Well, thank you.
That's fantastic. Where can we find more?
Well, you can go to bestreviews.com, and our goal is to simplify your purchasing decisions.
Love that. Beth, thanks so much.
Thank
That's Best
you.
Reviews.